Benjamin Robert Haydon was born January 26, 1786, died June 22, 1846. He was a British painter who specialised in grand historical pictures. Although he also painted a few contemporary subjects and portraits, his commercial success was damaged by his often tactless dealings with patrons, and by the enormous scale on which he preferred to work. He was troubled by financial problems throughout his life, which led to several periods of imprisonment for debt. He died by suicide in 1846. He gave lectures on art, and kept extensive diaries that were published after his death.